Going.
All right, we're going. It's always a struggle. Notice a lot of people were asking or posting about this. Set up that eccentric cam that this doesn't close all the way. This is kind of the hardest part to do. Get that over. Try not to lose all the springs. You're going to want the heaviest spring operating the bottom shoe. That doesn't make sense. The heaviest spring is the one right here, where that other little tiny spring is. Okay, I've got it, an axle in the vise. Okay, it's on that pin now. Then the light spring's easy to pull. And then once you have that, you can pull it and tap it down. I'm down most of the way. Put my washer underneath this bad boy. And then I already have that lubed up. And just pull on the bad thing. Finish tapping it down. Voila, done.